Way they go. Erica's talent running by Daryl, rushing up from the outside. Sound value. Sharp Cookie also rushing up by Daryl is entry number 4, Regal Chip. And on the outside is Primavera. Erica's talent, sound value. Regal Chip, Sharp Cookies racing for Primavera is racing fifth by some 2 lengths, and rushing up is Ding Galing Galing. Rounding the far turn, sound value, Erica's talent, Sharp Cookies on the outside. Regal Chip racing fourth by Daral, and Primavera racing fifth, Ding Galing Galing, living for love. Racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with a favorite Sharp Cookie is now the leader. Erica's talent, sound values on the outside, Primavera entering the finish line. Sharp Cookie by some 2 lengths now. Primavera living for love entering the finish line. The favorite Sharp Cookie. Primavera, live in Manila, living for love and for her pentafecta, sound value, then comes Naglalabyog, Ding Galing Galing.